So let's see again some detailed information about the gravitational force. In the past, Sir Isaac Newton was the scientist who discovered gravitational force. Okay. Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravitation in the 17th century. The Earth's gravitational force acts in a direction opposite to that of an object moving upwards. Okay, as the object moving upwards, opposite to that, the gravitational force will act. Okay, hence the speed of that object goes on decreasing till in the end it becomes zero. Then the object start falling down instead of going up any further. While falling, its speed goes on increasing all the time due to gravitational force. See, as that boy throwing a ball towards upward. Okay, so how much force he applied? So that much distance, after at such distance that a ball will go upside. Okay, in a limited distance. Then after that what will happen? The ball starts to fall down, and while it coming down, its speed goes on increasing. Why their speed goes on increasing? Because gravitational force pull the objects towards itself. Okay, it's have the gravitational force and it pull the objects towards itself, and so that ball now falling down with high speed. Understood everyone? Okay, now let's see again some examples are here. Let's try this. See in the picture, take a small stone and a bucket full of water. Now drop the stone into the water from a height of about 20 centimeter. At first we have to drop that stone. Okay, at how much height? 20 centimeter height. Then you will hear the sound of stone dropping in the water. Okay, now drop the same stone into the water from a height of about 100 centimeters, means with longer distance. Then you will hear its sound again. So this experiment you can try at home only. Okay, see, you have to take one bucket with water, bucket full of water. Then you have to take one small stone. At first you have to throw with little distance. You have to throw the stone with little distance in the bucket. Then you have to hear the voice. Okay, their sound. Okay, then again next time what you have to do? Now increase the distance. While you dropping the stone in the bucket, now increase the distance. As you are increasing the distance, then again one time you have to listen the sound. You have to hear its sound. What is the difference in the sound in the two actions above? Which difference do you observe in the two experiments sounds? And what can we conclude from this? So in this example, as the distance increase, the sound will also high. So means in first case, when we drop the stone with a less distance, their sound is less. But as we increase the distance and drop the stone, their sound will increase. Okay, now see again one example. Here that person lifting a sack. The actions of lifting a sack are shown in the picture. Now here if we observe it carefully, one sack looks empty. Okay, the first one, that man having that sack, it was empty, while the another one is full. So what difference do you notice in the way the two sacks are lifted? Okay, see, the gravitational force on the empty sack is less as their weight is less. Okay, as it is empty, so the gravitational force on the empty sack is also less. That is to say, its weight is less, because as the weight is less, gravitational force acting on it also less. While in the next sack, the gravitational force on the bigger sack is greater. As their weight is more, the gravitational force is also more. Means what? Greater force must be applied to lift a greater weight. As their weight is more, so we need to apply more force. As we need to apply more force, gravitational force also, so the opposing force. Gravitational force is a opposing force, so that opposing force is also more only. Okay. So this is all about the today's parts. Today we have learned the types of force. So first type, which one? Muscular force, then mechanical force, then gravitational force, and just now what it is? Magnetic force. So this is all about the today's part. Again some types are there that we will study in next period. Now still you have to read out the full lesson properly, and whatever maybe the new words are there, difficult words are there, that you have to underline in your textbook and learn it properly. Learn that new words properly and underline it in your textbook only. When you will get the CW, then you have to start writing in your CW that new words. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.